Alright guys, this is my sixth episode where we'll talk about some more data types which we are using in C++ programming. So now let's get started. So first of all, I will create a variable which will be price equal to, and I'm assigning value, and this time pointing value, okay, 12.4. So for that we must define the data type. So data type will be float. Okay, so I already told you how we can use when we can use this data types. Okay, so when we are creating when we are storing pointing value, for that we must define the data type which is float. So I will print this text on screen. I will say the item price is, and after that I will say single quotes and the variable name which is price. Okay, so I will save this file and then go to the build and run button. Now here you can see the item price is 12.4. okay, so that's tutorial that's about how to define float data type. And there is another data type which is a character. Okay, for character you must define char character, and after that you must define the variable name. I will say at this time section equal to, and I already told you when you are creating character data type you must define in single quotes. So I will say like a. Okay, so you and I will print this message on my screen. So I will say the section is, okay, and less than I will say the variable name which is section. So it will print the section is a. So okay, so a is stored in this section variable. So I want to print this message the section is a. So I will save this file and then go to the build and run button. Now here you can see the section is a. Okay, basically you can write as the class section is a. Now here you can see the class section is a. So for that you must define a character data type. If you are putting some, if you are find some grade or sections, for that type of values you must define character data type. So there is another data type which is string. Okay, so creating string you must define a string, and after that you must define the variable name. I will say student equal to, and after that when you are storing a value in string you must define in double quotes. So I will say my name, I will write my name, and I will print this message on screen. So I'm saying my name is, and after that I will write double less than, and after that the variable name which is student. Okay, so it will print my name is name, which is storing in this variable. Okay, so name is stored in this student variable. So I will say my name is and then variable name, so it will print my name is name. So I will save this file and then go to the build and run button, and now here you can see my name is name message is printed on my screen. Okay, so that was quick tutorial about how we can use different data type in C++ programming. So I will see you in next video. Okay, thanks, bye.